Imagine waking up every morning, checking your laptop or phone, and seeing $100 added to your account. No, you don't need advanced tech skills. You don't need a degree. You don't even need money to start. All you need is one thing: artificial intelligence. In 2025, AI is like a Swiss Army knife: one tool, unlimited possibilities. The best part? It's available to everyone, often for free or at low cost. In this article, I'll walk you through exactly how to make $100 a day using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. Backhand index pointing down. White heavy checkmark 1. Offer freelance services using AI tools. Let me break it down for you. Right now, there are thousands of people online looking for help with writing articles, editing, designing logos, translating, summarizing, the list goes on. And here's the trick: you don't do the work manually. You use AI tools like ChatGPT for writing, summarizing, translations, content creation. Copy.ai/WriteSonic for catchy marketing content. Canva AI for designing social posts, thumbnails, logos. All you need to do is create a profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and offer services like: I will write high-quality blog posts using AI. I will design a professional logo with AI tools. At first, you might earn $10, $20 per task. But as you build reviews and experience, that can jump to $50 or more per client. Lightbulb: many people started this way, and now earn over $100 per day consistently. White heavy checkmark 2. Create a YouTube channel with AI content, no face needed. Want a passive income stream? YouTube could be your goldmine. Thanks to AI, you can now create full videos without showing your face or using your voice. Here's what you'll need. Pictory turns scripts into videos automatically. 11labs/muff.ai adds professional AI voiceovers. Canva/InVideo for editing and thumbnails. You can create videos about how to make money online, business ideas, AI tools and tutorials, motivational or finance content. If you hit 10,000 views/day from a US audience, you can easily make $100 plus per day just from ads. Add affiliate marketing or digital products. You're scaling even faster. White heavy checkmark 3. Publish ebooks with ChatGPT on Amazon KDP. Believe it or not, people are writing entire books using ChatGPT and selling them on Amazon for $5 to $10 each. And no, you don't have to be a writer. You can create books like How to Manage Your Money in 2025. Online Side Hustles for Beginners. Motivational Quotes to Transform Your Life. Here's your simple process. Use ChatGPT to write the content. Use Canva to design the cover. Upload for free on Amazon KDP. Just one good book, with the right niche and cover, can bring you passive income every day. Lightbulb people have made thousands with just a few books published this way. White heavy checkmark 4. Do affiliate marketing with AI-generated content. Affiliate marketing is still one of the most powerful income streams online, and AI makes it way easier. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to write product reviews or comparison articles. Use Canva to create promotional graphics. Use Pictory or CapCut to create short, vertical videos. Post your content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Each video has your affiliate link. When someone buys through it, you get paid. Sites you can join: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore24, Impact.com. Lightbulb: some affiliates make $100 per day with just 2 to 3 viral videos per week. White heavy checkmark 5. Manage social media accounts using AI. Small businesses today need help with their social media, but they can't afford agencies. That's where you come in, using AI tools to do the work fast and professionally. Here's your toolkit. ChatGPT, to write captions and content. Canva, to design eye-catching posts. Lumen 5/Pictory, to make short videos. Offer this service to local businesses, online brands, or solopreneurs. Charge $200-500/month per client. Just 4 to 5 clients equals $100 per day easily. You don't need to be a marketing expert. AI does 70% of the work. Speech balloon final thoughts. AI isn't the future. It's the now. It's your employee. Your assistant. Your business partner. And unlike humans, it works 24/7, never sleeps, and doesn't need a salary. If you've been looking for a sign to start making money online, this is it. Pick one method from this guide, focus, take action, and your first $100 per day might come sooner than you think. Stop waiting for perfect timing, start now. The opportunity is in your hands.